Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
大家好，我是阿炳哥Leo。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today, let's put on our glasses again and teach you another Hakka proverb. 又要来我们的客家谚语时间喽。
好，那我就先念了哈。
好。
因业盐救足，
因盐救足，
救孽莫足盐，
救孽莫足盐。没被猪盐，感觉有盐的巴在里面，不是啊？
它可能会变成食物，但是目前还不是食物。
不会吧？你在讲一些，比如说家禽类啦，还是一些动物类的东西？
没错。好，我解释一下，
Okay, 好 What does this mean？
因业盐救足就是一天腌9只猪。
OK， 对，很多养猪的要把它腌掉，那样才会这个肉质会更好嘛。
对。
Okay, so the first part of this proverb is, in one day you castrate 9 pigs.
第二句叫做救孽莫足盐，就是9天就没猪可以腌了。一次把事情给做完了之后呢，可能它没有兼重到品质，但是呢，往后的时间你就空在那边了。
Interesting. Okay, so the second part of this proverb, in 9 days you won't have a pig to castrate. Okay, so that full sentence is, one day you castrate 9 pigs, and then 9 days you won't have a pig to castrate, which means farmers are doing a little bit too much on one day and leaving the rest of the season kind of empty and open.
就像我们平常做工作的时候，我们一定要有计划，一定要计划好。计划好之后呢，那我们再慢慢的循序渐进的这样去做，那就会你又可以达到你的品质，然后又有成效。
这句话不错，但是对不起猪儿们哈，我们要把你淹掉。Let's hear the explanation in English.
One day, castrate 9 pigs. 9 days, no pigs to castrate. Pig castration used to be a special line of business, but not necessarily a steady one. As the proverb suggests, some days you might have a veritable menagerie of piggy castrati. Sometimes you could go for days without a single hog to emasculate. The saying can be taken on 2 levels. In one sense, it simply means that running a business has its ups and downs, but it also contains a sound business principle: diversify and adapt to the market to ensure a constant stream of revenue. Sell shaved ice in the summer, but be ready to serve hot dumpling soup when winter rolls around.
And let's have Leo repeat this proverb.
因业盐救足，救孽莫足盐。
That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.